Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It has been raining for a couple of hours now, and I was actually thinking of skipping gym today, but I don't know, it has already had skipped gym for Sunday, and I don't know why my shoulder keeps tweaking. I believe there's some kind of vein or a strand of muscle that is being really bothering, and I also have this entire veins paining in my neck, and I also have some toothache, which I have an appointment for this coming week, and I want to be making sure that I get that done this week. And by far, guys, I was actually ready to go to the gym. I have been skipping legs for a really long time now, and also I want to do some stretching, get the stretching done for my shoulders because it's really freaking bothering me. And yeah, so we're gonna be hitting some legs, doing some basic stretches for the shoulders and some basic full body warm up. I'm actually ready. I also have to get a haircut today. Hopefully, I'll be able to get it done today or maybe tomorrow. Let's see. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the gym.
Find me in the corner of the room, not ready to resume. 'Cause I'm taking, don't wanna be alone, but I'm not in the zone. I'm looking for somebody. I'm looking for somebody.
Alright, guys, we are back from the gym, and now I'm pretty freaking hungry. So I'm gonna be cooking some ham and ham cheese sandwich, which I'm gonna be showing you guys. Again, I already had some things prepared, so I'm not gonna be taking you guys through just basic cuts and stuff. So just gonna be directly jumping in to cooking some amazing meal because I'm really freaking hungry, and you better watch it. It's pretty worth it. Alright, guys. So since we have this cheese bread, specifically sausage cheese bread, I'm gonna give this a taste. But again, this is really freaking hot. I don't want to burn myself because that always tends to happen with me. Let's just wait and give it another second. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you guys can definitely go ahead and give this a try. It's a really healthy meal. It's a really wholesome meal. We also have some healthy fats, we have healthy proteins, we also have some fiber. So you should definitely give this a go. I believe 2 sandwiches are good enough for one time. And you guys can also go ahead and make 3. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Well, specifically, I have some dentist appointment this week as well. So I have taken this entire week off, so I just have to go to work today, and then I have like 4 or 5 days off. So I'm gonna be leaving for Ludhiana. That is my hometown. Tomorrow I'm gonna be taking you guys with me, and that's gonna be a whole another vlog. So make sure to keep an eye out for that, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. I have no idea why the fuck I can't speak, and my shoulder's still killing me. I really need a really good massage. Yeah, guys, like the video, share it with your friends, and peace out.